Imagine waking up every morning and seeing affiliate commissions while you were sleeping. No inventory. No customer support. No paid ads. And you don't even need to create your own product. Today I'll show you exactly how to use Claude AI and Pinterest to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch in 2026. Stay until the end because I'll also show you a free workflow that can save hours every week. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about AI, online income, and smart digital businesses. Today you'll learn what Pinterest affiliate marketing is, why Pinterest is perfect for beginners, how Claude AI makes everything easier, how to find products, how to create viral pins, how to get free traffic, and how to turn that traffic into affiliate commissions. Let's get started. Chapter 1: What is Pinterest affiliate marketing? Pinterest isn't just another social media platform. It's actually a visual search engine. Millions of people search Pinterest every day looking for ideas, products, home decor, fashion, recipes, software, business tools, and gift recommendations. When someone clicks your pin and buys through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The best part: one pin can continue sending traffic for months, sometimes even years. That's why Pinterest is considered one of the best free traffic sources for affiliate marketers. Chapter 2: Why use Claude AI? Creating content manually takes time. Claude AI helps you generate keyword ideas, write SEO titles, create pin descriptions, write blog posts, create product reviews, brainstorm content ideas, plan a monthly content calendar. Instead of spending 3 hours creating pins, Claude AI can help you finish the work much faster. Remember that AI works best when you review and improve its output before publishing. Chapter 3: Choose a profitable niche. Don't promote everything. Focus on one niche. Popular Pinterest niches include home decor, personal finance, AI tools, beauty, fitness, fashion, recipes, DIY, productivity, digital products, online business. For this example, let's choose AI tools. Chapter 4: Join affiliate programs. Next, sign up for affiliate programs. Examples include Amazon Associates, Impact, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, PartnerStack, software affiliate programs. Always read each program's rules carefully. Some programs allow direct linking from Pinterest, while others require you to send visitors to a website or blog first. Choose products that genuinely match your audience's interests. Chapter 5: Use Claude AI to create content. Open Claude AI and use prompts like write 20 Pinterest titles for beginners interested in AI tools. Generate SEO descriptions for Pinterest. Create a comparison between 2 AI writing tools. Write a product review. Create 30 content ideas. You now have enough ideas for weeks of content. Chapter 6: Design eye-catching pins. Use Canva or another design tool. Your pins should include bright colors, large text, clear headline, product image if permitted, strong call to action. Examples: Top 10 AI tools, best website builders, free AI that saves hours. Keep your design simple and easy to read on mobile devices. Chapter 7: SEO for Pinterest. Pinterest loves keywords. Add keywords to pin title, description, board title, board description, image file name, research. Keywords people actually search for and naturally include them in your content. Chapter 8: Post consistently. Consistency matters. Aim to publish several fresh pins every day or each week, depending on the time you have. A consistent publishing schedule gives Pinterest, more opportunities to show your content. Chapter 9, grow your traffic. Don't rely on just one pin. Create multiple pin designs for the same product. Try different headlines, colors, images, layouts. Over time, you'll discover what gets the most clicks. Focus on improving your click-through rate rather than simply posting more. Chapter 10, scale your business with Claude AI. Once you start getting traffic, use Claude AI to plan monthly content, create blog articles, write email sequences, brainstorm seasonal campaigns, generate fresh pin ideas, refresh older content. The goal is to build a system that consistently produces helpful content while you stay involved in reviewing, editing, and improving it. Common mistakes beginners make. Avoid these mistakes. Posting inconsistent content. Ignoring Pinterest SEO. Promoting unrelated products. Using misleading titles. Expecting overnight success. Affiliate marketing usually takes time, testing, and consistent effort. Success comes from consistency. Create valuable pins. Help people solve problems. Test different designs. Learn from your analytics. Improve every month. The creators who keep learning and publishing quality content are the ones most likely to grow over time. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI, business and affiliate marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching.